Hey guys, it's Liv and welcome back to our third Vlogmas video. I just want to apologise for the state of my face versus my neck, and my tan is like coming off and I'm freaking out because we've got that premiere tomorrow and there's no way this will scrub off today. It has one more day in it and I have to like look good on a red carpet premiere. I don't know if we're actually going on the red carpet or if we're just gonna like be there, but I still want to look nice and this tan is looking pretty tragic. Anyway, I want to show you guys my gym outfit for today. By the way, the weather is absolutely rubbish and we're supposed to be going on a trip today, so I don't know if that's happening. But I'm just wearing the ombre seamless sports bra. These are the flex leggings that I got during the Click Frenzy sale, and this is called the Drake vest, which is like cool, but I would never ever buy it again. It's so thin, but these are just really cute and I feel like my tum is coming along, kind of. That's it, relaxed, just for reference. And then this is it, like flexed, I guess, slightly but surely. Anyway, let's get on with our day. This does make the peach look quite nice though. So here's my outfit of the day. This is something that I got from Black Friday from Cotton On for $10. I got it in like a million colors, but when we go on trips I like to wear bright colors so that the kids can see me. Like I said, I'm preparing as though I was going on a trip. I had to wear my bike shorts because these, I swear they weren't this short the last time I wore them. Or maybe they were, because I can't believe I would have worn these to school. Anyway, these are Kmart, this is Kmart. And then yeah, like I said, this is from Cotton On. I just love the neckline, like I really like a high neck. So I'm just about to put on some makeup, just a little bit. I don't think I've actually talked to you guys about this, but I have like very, very bad dermatitis on my underarms. And somebody asked me yesterday which natural deodorant I use, and I tried for so long to use it. And I tried to tell myself that that wasn't what was giving me the dermatitis, and I really can't nail it down because it could be anything, because like I'm really stressed at the moment. But the one common denominator is this natural deodorant. If you guys are squeamish, I guess don't look, but it's not really that squeamish. But I've got really bad, and also hairy armpits because I'm fake tanned, but really bad, this side's way worse, dermatitis on my underarms. It's actually so much better than it was yesterday. Like yesterday my whole armpit was like red and raw, but I actually can't wear deodorant at the moment, natural or otherwise, because they're actually sore. So yeah, it's really unfortunate. I have cream, like, you know, dermatitis cream that I've been applying, but yeah, it's like really frustrating. And it's just something that I struggle with. I also get it on my wrist from my Fitbit, no matter how loose or tight my Fitbit is. And it's not the Fitbit, it's my skin. I can't actually just sit and chat because I really need to get to work. I'm gonna wear sunscreen just in case, because if there's anybody that's going to get sunburnt on a rainy day, it's me. So let's just be sun safe and pop some on. Better to be safe than sorry. We should really be wearing sunscreen every day anyway. Just your friendly nana reminder there. So I'm just gonna like power apply my makeup. So I've been loving this NYX foundation. Can't Stop Won't Stop is the name of the foundation. I'm not talking about myself. Also, I'm gonna empty out this drawer sometime this week. Do you guys want me to declutter it? It's just like my everyday makeup drawer, which is not an everyday makeup drawer anymore. Let me know if you want me to film that and I will totally film it for you guys. By the way, I just wanted to take this moment to say a massive thank you to everybody who commented on my last video, telling me which team they were in terms of their preferred Australasian spreads, and I'm pleased to say that by a landslide Vegemite came out on top. But somebody said that they thought that Marmite was sweet, and I was tripping. Do you guys think Marmite's sweet? Other than the one person who said it. I would not explain it as a sweet treat. I would explain it as a disgusting treat. Like, I'm sorry New Zealand, but Marmite is like Vegemite's ugly sister. Like stepsister. This is really, really, that's my leave the house alarm. Really, really beautiful underneath this foundation. Like the foundation looks absolutely flawless, like more flawless than usual. I don't know if you guys can see. I know that it doesn't really mean much when somebody with clear skin tells you that a foundation is flawless. It's not like covering up blemishes, but I think it looks really good. I hope you guys enjoyed that clip of our dinner. It was seriously so delish. Right now I'm just chilling and watching some YouTube. I'm just gonna look through my comments on my last 2 Vlogmas videos and see if there are any questions or anything that you guys want me to talk about, and I will report back. But I just wanted to tell you guys, hope you liked seeing that dinner. It's one of our faves. It's not like particularly healthy. They made 4 portions, so there was 595 calories, 60 grams of carbs, 20 grams of fat, and 40 grams of protein. It's not like a particularly healthy meal, but because I made everything myself and all of that jazz, it's a little bit better. So Sarah Ed, hopefully I'm saying that right, asked me how my reset is going, so I thought I'd talk about it briefly. Basically, I think it's going really, really well. You guys have seen the past 2 days I've had unhealthy dinners, and I'm not alluded to the fact that they're unhealthy, but in terms of my reset, I was wanting to eat less on the weekends and more on the weekdays. I am having a really active week this week. Like yesterday, for example, let me show you how many calories I burned, because it's actually kind of ridiculous. No, can you see how it's all green? It's because I've already hit my goal for everything. But yeah, yesterday, same thing again. I don't know if you guys can see, but I burnt 2,900 calories. So if I was only eating 2,000, I was 900 calories in deficit. So that's why I was all good having a big dinner. If I was having like a week where I wasn't doing much or in the school holidays, I would be eating less, you know. And then today, same thing again. Another big day, keeping in mind it's not 8 o'clock yet even, so the calories will go up by at least 200 more, I'd say, just because you burn calories at rest, obviously. In terms of sugar, I've been pretty good. Actually, yeah, I have been pretty good. I did buy a chocolate bar over the weekend, but I counted it into my macros and everything. I think that day I went over on sugar, but other than that, I think I've been pretty decent on my sugar. I think I haven't been hitting 40 perfectly. I think today I was all good. Yeah, today I've had 37 grams. Yesterday I had 60 grams. What did I have? Oh yeah, I had a caramel slice. Alright guys, so I have just officially zoned out for the night. This is a sneak peek from my Black Friday haul, which I haven't filmed. I'm just wearing it because I went to go into the spare room and I'm wearing like a sports bra. I was just wearing a sports bra, so I was like, better put something on so that I'm not like naked on a stream. I'm about to start editing this vlog. If you guys can see, I've got my laptop ready. I'm wearing my Gymshark's lounge. My puku's hanging over because that's the life that I lead. I'm ready to edit. This seriously is my favorite laptop that I've tried. And I know you guys are like, it's sponsored. But it's not. The mention's not sponsored. I am sponsored by Omen, but this laptop is the titties. I'm going to start linking it down below so you guys know which one I'm using. It is pricey, but it's so good, and these keys are gorgeous. But yeah, I'm just going to edit, and then I've got some YouTube to watch. I don't think I'll turn on the Christmas tree because, meh. It's too hard to get the light switch. It's like behind the unit. But yeah. I did just want to say a really huge thank you because I have been getting so much love on this Vlogmas series so far, and I'm seriously so appreciative for you guys. So if you have any questions, comments, anything like that, please do leave them linked off down below, because I read every single one of your comments. Even if I don't like comment back to you, I do read it. I haven't really had that much time to reply to comments lately, but I'm going to try and get better at it. But yeah, I just want to say thank you so much for all of your support and your love. It means the absolute world to me. If you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow with another Vlogmas video. Bye.